Okay, I'm going to draw a bolt. As a model maker, I don't follow necessarily exactly everything that normally is done. So what I will be drawing is what suits my gearing that I have. So in the first instance, you can see some lines. If I go to front view, what you will see is I've drawn the pitch, etc. That is suited to the cutters and to dies that I have, and this is actually derived from the pitch drawing, and this is the amount of metal that's going to be removed from whatever blank I will have. So I go to the top view and I'll go to a circle command and align it slightly, and let's say I'm going to use unusual side, 5.5 millimeters in radius, and I'll do a copy of that, position it there. So let's say at this stage, zoom all, I have two blanks, and these are only straightforward guidelines, and what I'll do is at this stage I will leave that alone. So in the first instance, create a helix command. Center of helix is right here, 5.5, enter. Top, 5.5, enter. I will choose height, h, and this is 1.25, enter. And how many turns I want? Turns, let's say I want 10. So now my helix should be complete. So if I look at it sideways, great, there it is, it's visible. So look at it that way. I'll approach and take my blank circle away, and there's my helix. And next I will move the tooth metal removal, and I will snap it to the end of the helix. Now next I'm going to sweep that along the helix here. So I'll go to the sweep command and select the object. There's my object selected. Next, right click, I'll change the alignment and change it to no, because that then sweeps the object and keeps the object vertical to the x and the y axis, i.e. so it sweeps it along the z axis perfectly parallel, as opposed to sweeping it along the pitch angle of the line of the helix. Now if I touch the helix, there it is swept. If I look at conceptual visual style, I can actually see this exactly as it is. And by the way, when you've got the thread repair springs that go into damaged thread, this is what they are like. So next I go back into 2D view, looking at the whole thing from the top, and I will extrude this circle now. Well, let's say I will extrude it by 30 millimeters. So looking at it isometrically and in conceptual style, there it is. These are the two pieces. Now this is the thread that's going to be cut out of that. So what I need to do is to move that exactly alongside to the center point of that, and then subtract that from this. So now I'm going to 2D view again, from the top, select this, move, center, touch to that, move it to center, look at isometric again, looks right, subtract from this, right click, this, right click, nothing changed. But look at it in conceptual, and there you are. This is a bolt as I would cut it on my lathe, and this is partially threaded bolt.